paper-based strip that can detect the influenza virus A or B at a molecular level in just 5 minutes. So that is the that I am going to actually tell you. I think many of you must be aware of the home pregnancy test, the mechanism, if you know the these cases. So here what we will do, it's a very very strict paper strips where we have two type of crops. One crop, this is the one crop that captures the antigens, influenza virus. And second, we have this yellow line that captures this nanoparticles. So we have two technologies. One is the crop technology, and second is the golden color technology. So crop technology captures the antigen, and golden color technology gives the colors. So without of an instrument, we can able to know whether our sample has the virus or not. So basically, this is a drawing of the strip. It's a paper strip, and here we have another two type of special papers. One is the conjugation period, and another is the absorption period. And as soon as we get the antigen, this antigen is trapped by the antibodies. It's very specific to the H100 type or H150 type. And then it gets to the paper, and then it matches with the line. This line has another antibodies that make ELISA, enzyme substance. And here we also have the colors. This color comes from the cold color. So when all the antigens bind with the antibodies and gather the colors, then they make a color here. And within few minutes, you will be able to get whether the line is coming or not. If line is coming, it means you have happy. If another line is coming, it tells you have happy. So this is one of the basic activities we have developed. Actually, not me actually. There are 3 companies who are working with us. One is the BioDevice, that is in Ishikawa, Japan. Tanaka is a very famous company in Japan. And there is our own Biyani biosolution in the Japan. So all these 3 companies are making this. So basically the principle, as you capture the antigens, easily we can get from the saliva or from the stool. And then we drop the 3 drops here, and it matches with the colloids and the antibodies, and it probe and meet with another antibodies. And they can make the sandwich here like this one. So we get the color. So I told you there is 2 types of probe molecules and gold colors. So that is the 2 key factors. And probe molecules we use the atom technology. Atom is not the molecules, the RNA molecules, or peptide molecules. They are very specific to a task. So that we have developed. So when there is no structure, they will have very common. But once they make structure, they are very specific to a target, and they can bind any type of specific target. So first we develop this activity, this sequence, prop sequence, and then we have the another technology. I am not going to tell in detail what we have developed. So another is the gold color. Gold color are the gold nanoparticles, which are the size of 50 nanometer in the diameter. So they are very small, 50 nanometer to 100 nanometers, and they are covered with the gold layer. And if all the gold colors are come close, they have a plasmon. And this plasmon can give a spectrum effect, and then we can able to know the color effect. So this is the Tanaka, and this is the another mechanism. So few key features. It is a rapid test for influenza A and B, including H1N1. Easy sampling using fresh nasal throat swab, very easy to take, and then it's fast 8% test result. Then just 3 to 8 minutes, you will get the signals. And yes, I think it's very easy. A common man also can use this. And I think if the person is starting to take the drugs before the viral load will down, so it can immediately get the signals as soon as the symptoms are clear. So sensitivity is also very good. It is a little bit about how this method works. You can take sample from any pharyngeal or nasal or even from the nasal start. So what we have one tube. In tube we have the buffer solution. So you just take the sample from nasal and drop here, and then mix, and then put here. This is the just 3 drop here. And as soon as you put the drop, it will go through, and you will get the signals. In case of you have, and there is a chip A, B, C. C is the control line. You check whether your chip is working or not. And if you got the line at B, it means you have Influenza. And if you get no, it is no. But C always will be the case because it shows that your kit is working. We took some samples from hospitals and we have checked, and it's still working well. And still it can detect 12.5 nanogram of particle of antigen cells. So it's very good. And yes, this is my slide that last year. Last year, this February, we visited SMS and we took the samples from the, actually there was a long queue of the patients. We immediately get the samples and we checked. And then we confirmed all this results by the real-time PCR. I think all here are using the RT-PCR technology. That is very expensive, I think. Common cannot afford. So we have checked and it was almost identical. The result was. Unfortunately, this result came after 2 days from SMS lab and Dr. Pandit was like there. So 2 days to make 2 minutes. That is the point here. And the cost is for the real time must be taking like a few thousand, I think. But in Japan, they are producing it in 100 rupees, few hundred rupees. But I believe if I make it here, it can be further down because it is paper. Maybe if you have heard about scientist Whitesides, Professor Whitesides is very famous in Harvard University. He has developed the concept of zero-cost diagnostics. Because diagnostic, I think, is a major problem in medical health. If we properly diagnose a disease in time, I think we can have a better treatment. So one of my ideas is that, and I am here just to, because tomorrow I am leaving, so I just asked them to give me some time so I can introduce and Radhika is here. Radhika, she will show you how it works actually. So you can make the demonstration.
Since we got vaccinated this year, there are antibodies living for next 8 months of time.
Yes.
What is the window period to be that test is done to become positive or negative? If we are exposed to some patient.
So window period is depending on the load of.
Yes, so it will become positive according to the viral load.
Yes. So if you have some sort of viral load, I think take the sequence. But I am not sure because this chip we are developed for the only the H1N1 and H1N3. SMS I deeply like. But in Fortis, how the sample is working? It's an outside. It is outside. How long is it? 48 hours. So same. So how you think if on the spot, if I may start the and what happens if the patient is not positive and we will take no resistance in long time.
So what is the sensitivity and specificity of the test?
They are showing in their project that all the patients
No,
are
but that is how many numbers you have to have those numbers.
Yeah, here you can see the sensitivity. It's 100 for 90. 94 is 300. And we have tested many things. Virus A, so virus B. We have to put the drops in your CNF. So we have 3 parts. This is the dense span. We take the sample and chip, and this is the power. So first take the sample from dense span and expose it. Okay, so I will just drop it and let you know how it works. So I will take just 1 microdrop. No worry, it's killed.
ये नहीं फैला, एसी से फैला दिया सब।
So I'm going to mix here. And because in nasal we may have some mucus, and so we have to filter out. There is a small filter here. So we will place the filter here. Then just shake and put the trigger. So now there is no line, right? No line. So now I'm going to put trigger. So don't have an idea. We can use such type of technology for any type of virus infection. Like now this time I think dengue is going to be.
We have NS1 and IgG, IgM. We are doing with the context. But the problem is government says that it should be equal to ELISA or the test.
So that is the ELISA test.
But this just have the conversation with them because they don't accept any report which is positive. If not positive by ELISA test, they will believe the patient is not very common.
Such a very easy candidate infection. So it will become that. So this is the junction where all the fault proteins and antibodies get connected. Gets emitted. One more. It will be after 5 or 8 minutes. Very clear. So just I want to let you aware about this, how the things can be simple here. Virus A have many strains, H1N1, and we have only two. So, this type of simple acting. So, how do you think? Is it useful for or not? If you have a small set of research here, I think if you have any problem specific reason, we can develop. But try to find out the problem. Price I told you is $8. The manufacturing cost, maybe some plus and Biyani Biosolution has got the license to make it available in Jaipur. So now it's available. I think this season, this is going to be. So I hope we can help the people at this point. Giving the right rate. So that is just I want.
So it comes positive after how many hours of being, how many hours later do you test on COVID? Like the dengue one comes positive, at least it requires 24 hours to 36 hours of fever for the blood test to be positive. So how much time will this test take?
I think as soon as you get the viral load,
It depends upon the viral load.
Yeah.
No, so it
As soon as you get the
just
symptoms, I think after 12 hours you will have enough viral load. So from 24 hours, after 12 hours, 12 to 18 hours, you have enough viral load, and that is very detectable by this.
No, in a sense, like there's a patient with, say, swine flu.
Yes.
Cough, you are sitting next to me, you do not know.
Yes.
That person has coughed, has spoken and everything, then he's not well, he gets tested, he's positive. I've had a contact with him, say 4 or say 4 to 6 hours. When if I get myself tested now, will it come positive or it will come positive once I start developing symptoms?
So symptoms, I think it develop after 12 hours. Once you get the infection, in my knowledge, after 12 to 18 hours you got the headache or some nausea or something. So if you think that if you have some symptoms, you can immediately test. But 12 hours is required to get the viral load. So just as soon as the symptom appears, you can have that test in one sense. So now my next plan is to make such type of kit for all the infections like chikungunya and dengue and some other infections. So if it can be helpful, I will be very happy to see my product. So that I was here to show you. I just want to motivate you how research is made in our medical field. If we can involve our research, we can develop better treatment. Because in SMS, I have a very hard time to see the people how they are there. Okay, what's such type of healthcare kits can be very